Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'll be trying out a contact lens that was sent to me by Iris Beauty. So I've had this contact lens for months, but I just haven't had the time to try it out. So today I decided to give it a try. As you can see, I already have one of the contact lens in my left eye, and this is the box. Let me show you guys the box that it came with. So this is the box it came in. So I'm going to insert my right eye, that way you see what this contact lens looks like on me. So guys, this is the final result. After doing my makeup, this is what the contact lens looks like on me. And I forgot to mention that this contact lens is a high-end contact lens, and I'm going to leave the price on the screen, and also I'll be leaving every details about this contact lens in my description box below, a direct link to the very one I'm wearing and also a direct link to their website. And for those of you that don't feel comfortable using low-end contact lens, this one is a high-end contact lens. So if you're interested, like I said before, the link will be in my description box below. So this contact lens does feel really comfortable on me, and I kind of like it. For the shade, I don't really know how I feel about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you think that the shade looks good on me or not, I'd like to hear your opinion in the comment section below. And like I said before, this contact lens was sent to me by Iris Beauty, and every details about this contact lens will be in my description box below. And guys, I just finished filming a tutorial on how I installed this hair by Her Giving Hair, and that video will also be in my description box below in case you're interested. That will be it for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Savannah.